Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Friday. Today we are going to be also doing some more inserts for the Happy Planner Micro or the micro size Happy Planner. So if you guys saw my video for Tuesday, I shared with you guys how I made my little clear inserts, and that's these right here. I did a little update, so let me show you guys. So this is the first one that you guys saw me create, and then here's the second one. I actually had these super cute clear stickers, so I added one that says dreams are like stars. As soon as one dies, another gets brighter. Isn't that cute? So I added a little quote. And then here's another one. I simply added a little moon sticker and then a little, I think it's cut, what do you call it, like a star rock or something like that. And then I added the blue scalloped along the washi tape, and I think that gave it the perfect pop of blue for the little bow tab that I had. And then I love how that came out. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do the washi insert. I know you guys wanted to see that one too. And then I'm actually going to show you guys how I do the word topper with a clear one. I might as well just show you guys, that way you guys create it for yourselves. But let's go ahead and get started. So of course you're going to need your paper trimmer, any one that you have. These are the thermal scotch sheets that I use. They are the 8.5 by 11 inches, and this is the 100 pack pouches, and it's the letter size, and I love these. I get them from Amazon. They're fairly inexpensive, and they last me a really long time. And then on the top, I also cut out the piece of the 5 by, I think it's like 10 inches or something. Just that way whenever I want to purchase these, then I remember which ones to get. But these are kind of like photo size. So super, super cute, and I love it. The next things that you guys are going to need, of course, is any decorative pieces. I have these, again, in case I need them. I have my little word topper. Isn't that one really cute? And then, of course, I have my washi tape. So these are pretty much almost all of my TPS washi tapes. All of my washi tapes from the Planner Society. I keep them in these little containers that Maricela had sent me. And I love this little thing. They sell them at Michael's. They're stackables, and they do come where you can put them inside the stick, but I keep them like this just because sometimes it's a hassle to like take them out. But yeah, I'm going to be using my TPS washi tape, and this is the one that I'm currently using the kit from. So let's go ahead and start. I am going to be taking out 2 laminating sheets, and you're going to see why. So we are going to be making 2 inserts, one word topper and one washi insert. So we're just going to go ahead and laminate a whole one. I think it's this way. So we're just going to pop it into our laminator. It's already nice and hot. And this is the 5 mil. And I think the 5 mil, or when it says 5 mil or 10 mil or something like that, it's based on the thickness, I think, of the laminating paper. This is a Scotch laminator. I actually got it from Amazon as well, and it came with a pack of Scotch laminating sheets, so you guys can definitely check Amazon. I know Walmart sells it by itself for a really good price, so if that's something that you guys want to do, also feel free to check Walmart. But here we are. And I didn't know that Michael's actually sells laminating sheets from Scotch. When I found them in the aisle, they were by like by the Felties, and I was like, what? I saw them and I'm like, you can always use your coupons, you guys. So that's another cheap way. I think they are a little more expensive though, so I like getting them from Amazon. Works perfect. I'm gonna laminate it one more time, and then we're gonna go ahead and start cutting down. So I do have my little template here. I just love how this came out. I'm going to have to make a cute little cover for it. I have my crocodile as well, again, because the holes work nicely for me. I have my little scissors, my little ATG glider. This is by Scotch too, so I notice I use a lot of Scotch items. Love it. I think the Scotch makes really, really good items, so you know, hopefully they sponsor me one day. Alright, so now that it is coming through, we are all set. We're going to go ahead and cut down. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop this on here. And we're going to go ahead and bring it just like that. Take your time because this is definitely the part that you don't want to mess up. Alright, so I think that's good enough. I'm going to go ahead and cut. Perfect. Now we're going to go ahead and do the same thing over here. And basically I'm just aligning my template with the laminating sheet. That way I know where to cut. And we're going to need one more. Alright, perfect. So now that everything is nice and even, we're going to go ahead and round our corners. Just a soft round. Doesn't have to be anything too perfect. So now we're going to go ahead and add here our word topper to one of them. Just like that. And as you can see, that little corner sticks out a bit, so I'm just going to go ahead and round it. Just like that. And again, I get a lot of questions on where I get these word toppers from, and they are from the Planner Society. I get a subscription box every month, and that's where I get them from. And look at how cute that is. So now we're going to go ahead and laminate this one. I can find the opening. You can leave it just like that if you want to, but I want to laminate because these words are extremely sensitive, and that way at least I'm keeping them protected and they'll last me a lot longer. Alright, we're going to save this. Now we can work on this one. So I'm just going to take the cover. That way I know where to mark my holes. Alright, so now that my notes tab or insert is out, I'm going to go ahead and cut the edges out. I'm just going to leave a little bit of room because you never want to fully cut down because you don't want it to open up on you. Alright, perfect. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and round this right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and round this right here. Perfect. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut along the lines, leaving the laminating closed. Again, I always like to zigzag. Perfect. Right, so now we're going to pop it in there again. I'm going to try to laminate as much as I can to get all those little tiny bubbles out. But we're going to go ahead and start punching our holes for this one. Need my little pen. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and align the cover with my insert. Just like that. And I'm going to mark my holes. Right? And then we're going to go ahead and punch. just like that. Oh, that just flew. But it's okay because I didn't clean today. Alright, and then we're going to go ahead and cut a V. This one I didn't have to re-laminate because I'm not adding a wear tapper to it. I'm just adding washi tape. And that's already all set to start adding our washi tape. So then what you're going to do is you're going to use a combination of thick ones, thin ones, depending on what you can fit. So I'm going to do like a blue theme because that's kind of what I have going on. And I'm going to start at the very top. Perfect. All right, there we go. That one's done. Look at how cute that is. So now we have this one right here. So what I would do for this one is, because it still has little bubbles and you can see them right there, right? You can add a die cut, a large die cut. That would be cute. But because this is our notes, I would add a super cute little sticky note. So let me see if I can find one and I'll show you how I lay it down. Alright, so I have these. These are from the ones that Cynthia sent me. They're Hello Beautiful. And it just has a bunch of cute little ones. I've used it a lot. And I just really, really like using it. So I think what I'm going to do is... I'm going to add... Oops. I think I'm going to add this moon sticker right here. And let me see if it'll cover it up a little bit, but I like that little moon peeking through. I'm still gonna cover it, but again, I want that little moon peeking through, so. And then what I'm gonna do for this one, I'm gonna go ahead and cut just like that. And I'm gonna add this right here. Perfect. And then we'll add the moon at the top. Okay, so you see how that looks, right? So now I can put this over it, and you're gonna see around it, it has like little decorative pieces. So I like that. I'm gonna go ahead and just add this, my sticky notes. Right, perfect. So now we're gonna go ahead and add this on here. Just like that. Right? Oh my god, that is so cute. I love it. And of course, I forgot to add my little holes. So we'll just do it this way. No need to worry. Again, we're just going to align. Now we're gonna cut. Alright, perfect. So now it's ready. Look at how cute that is. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. Now we're gonna go ahead and pop it in here so that you guys can see how it looks. I gotta add the cover back. I think I'm gonna change the cover, but we'll see. Then you can add your little notes. We'll add it to the back, just like that. Oh, perfect, so cute. And then our little washi card, you can pop that, oh, wrong way. Just like that. Isn't that cute? And it was very easy, super quick, depending on, you know, how much of it you like to decorate and how much you like to take your time with it. But just have fun with it and just love what you're doing. I love that it has the pop of the silver surrounding it. I think that was like the perfect touch for it. And the little washi card just came out so cute, and now you have washi tape for on the go. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If there's any other tutorials you guys want to see, as always, leave it in the comments down below. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications so that when I upload, you don't miss my videos. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!